Good morning, boys and girls. So remember, we've been talking about positive self-talk, and positive self-talk is the kind and encouraging way you talk to yourself. So for example, you might say, I can do this, or today will be a great day. So the opposite of positive self-talk is negative self-talk. Why can this be a bad thing? So think about this. If you're saying bad things to yourself, do you think you will be able to succeed and complete your work for the day, or do well on a test, or be nice to your friends, or even family? So that is why it's important to always think positive, even when something bad happens. So if we look at this, it says, talk about how you could use a positive self-talk when you are playing a sports game or doing a tough assignment or when you feel sad or angry. So what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and type your answer in the box and tell me, how could you use positive self-talk during a sports game or during a tough assignment or when you feel sad or angry? You don't have to pick all of them, just pick one of them. Think about what you could say to yourself positively during a sports game, or what can you say to yourself that's positive during a tough assignment, or what can you say to yourself that is positive when you feel sad or angry. Remember, when you do type it in the text entry box, don't forget to hit submit. Have a good day.